Before you can install the dishwasher moisture barrier tape, you must make sure the countertop is clean, dry, and free of dust. Mark the center of the dishwasher opening on the underside of the countertop. Measure and cut the amount of tape needed to cover the opening in the countertop. Dry fit the tape to the area of the countertop with the dishwasher, centering it on the opening. Remove the backing from the tape. Apply the tape to the underside of the countertop. Use the pad of your finger to secure the tape to the countertop. Do not use your fingernail or a sharp tool to crease the moisture barrier tape. Doing so may puncture the tape, allowing moisture through and void your countertop warranty. Use a utility knife to carefully trim any excess tape overhanging from the countertop.